In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Depop password on Chrome. If you're having trouble signing into your Depop account, don't worry. Resetting your password is usually a quick process, and I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish so you can get back into your account without confusion. Start by opening Google Chrome and going to depop.com. Once the website loads, take a moment to check whether you're already signed in. If you are currently logged into an account, go ahead and log out first. This is important because it helps you access the correct login and recovery options without any account session getting in the way. After you've logged out, or if you were already signed out, navigate to the Depop login screen. You should see the option to sign in with your account details. On that login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to begin the password recovery process. If you already have the direct password reset page open, that works too, and you can continue from there. Next, enter the email address that's registered to your Depop account. Make sure you type it carefully because the reset instructions will be sent to that exact email. If there's a typo, you may not receive the message. Once your email is entered, submit the request and then open your email inbox. Check for the password reset email from Depop. It may arrive within a few moments, but if you don't see it right away, give it a little time and also check your spam or junk folder just in case it was filtered there. When the email arrives, open it and click the reset link included in the message. That link will take you to the page where you can create a new password. Type your new password carefully, making sure it's something secure but also something you'll be able to remember. A good password is usually a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and it's best not to reuse one from another account. Once you've entered the new password, click Reset Password to confirm the change. After that, your new password should be active, and you can use it the next time you sign into Depop. If you want to avoid login issues in the future, it's also a good idea to save the password securely in your browser or password manager. And that's it! You've successfully reset your Depop password on Chrome.